Port Washington Road. Squad 8 is in front of me. We're going to be in pursuit of it. Northbound on Port Road, speeds are about 60. Coming up to... It's going through, leaving through traffic. I think it may have struck a car. It's still northbound on Port... Oh, it's eastbound on Henry Clay. Speeds are roughly 40 on the second car in pursuit. There's no pedestrian traffic. Roads are clear and dry. Still northbound on Mohawk. Still northbound, and it's going to be westbound on Richter.
794 is in front of me. He's lead car, and it's pulling into the parking lot. Gonna crash at Boston Market, rolling on the sidewalk now. 768, I'm getting through traffic. It's still northbound on Ford Road. I'm now lead car. It's northbound on Ford, just past Silver Spring. I believe its speeds are about 70. It's leaving through traffic. Medium traffic here.
Westbound on, I believe it's Rochelle, will be coming out to Green Bay. He's sloping pretty good.
4 occupants.
We're going to be going southbound on Green Bay. Southbound on Green Bay. Dispatch, that plate come back and stolen. Westbound on Brandwood, cars passing Garden Hole. Just blew the stop sign. Westbound on Brandwood.
Still southbound on Brayburn. Speeds are 50. No pedestrian traffic. Roads are clear. We're on Apple Tree now. East on Apple Tree. East on Apple Tree. Passing Crestwood. Speeds are 80. Making a circle here, passing Beth Mauer on Apple Tree back east. Squads get out to Atwall and Green Tree, cut them off. Speeds are 70, we're still eastbound on Apple Tree. No pedestrian traffic, roads are going through the green light, roads are clear and dry. Northbound on Green Bay, northbound on Green Bay. Crash, 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 Green Bay and Port.